What is a digital detox?
A digital detox means taking intentional breaks from digital devices and online activities. The goal is to reduce screen time, reconnect with the world around you, and support mental well-being. This can involve limiting smartphone use, stepping away from social media, or setting boundaries for work emails. A digital detox helps you regain focus, reduce stress, and feel more present in your daily life.
Why should you try a digital detox?
Spending too much time on screens can lead to stress, sleep problems, and difficulty concentrating. A digital detox may help improve your mood and productivity. It also encourages healthier routines, like spending more time outdoors or with loved ones. Research shows that reducing screen time can boost mental health, giving your mind time to rest and recharge.
How do you start a digital detox?
Begin by identifying your biggest digital distractions, such as social media, gaming, or constant notifications. Set realistic goals, like avoiding screens during meals or for an hour before bedtime. Communicate your plan with friends and family so they can support you. Small changes, done consistently, are the key to successfully reducing digital overload.
What are some practical tips for success?
Create phone-free zones at home, such as the bedroom or dining table. Set time limits for using certain apps, and consider turning off non-essential notifications. Plan alternative activities like reading, walking, or meeting friends in person. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small wins as you gradually reduce screen time and form new habits.
How can you maintain your detox long-term?
Digital detoxing is most effective when it becomes part of your routine. Regularly check in with yourself about your digital habits and adjust as needed. Schedule periodic device-free days and enjoy activities that don't rely on screens. Remember, it's about balance. Staying connected is important, but so is taking time to disconnect for your well-being.